Good day everyone. Today I will share what I learned from the CWTS to orientation. So first, CWTS means Civil Welfare Training Service. It is a part of the NSTP program. The main goal of CWTS is to help students become responsible citizens and encourage us to serve our community. In CWTS2, we focus more on applying what we learn in CWTS1. So this means we will now participate in real activities, especially in that help people and especially in our local communities. So one of the important topic discussed is community service. Community service is helping people without expecting payment. For example, we can join clean-up drives, tree planting, or helping in health programs. So these activities helps improve our environment and support other people. Another topic is community organizations. So this means working together with other people in the community. We cannot do everything alone. So teamwork is very important. We must communicate, cooperate, and respect each other's ideas. We also learn about leadership. A good leader is responsible, respectful, and helpful. In CWTs, we are encouraged to develop our leadership skills by participating in activities and guiding others. Next is values and formation. So, CWTs teaches us a good values like disciplines, cooperations, respects, and concern for only in school, but these values are important not only in school but also in real life. Another important topic is health and safety. We should always be aware of how to keep ourselves and others safe. Others safe. This includes basics, first aids, proper hygiene, and disaster preparedness. Being prepared can help save lives during emergencies. We also discuss environmental protections. We must take care of our environment by reducing waste, recycling, and protecting natural resources. Simple actions like throwing trash and properly that can make a big differences. We also teaches us about project planning. Before doing an activity, we need to plan first. This includes setting goals, preparing materials, and assigning tasks. Planning helps to make our project successful, and in addition, we learn the importance of active participations. As students, we should not just listen but also join activities. Being active helps us learn and develop our skills. On overall, CWT is to help us become a better individuals. It teaches us how to help others, so work as a team and become a responsible citizens. So it is also prepares us to face real life situations. and contribute to society. So, in conclusion, CWT is not just a subject. It is a way for us to grow, to learn, and save our community. By applying what we learn, and we can make a positive differences. So about that's all my learning about the CWTS 1 and 2, and I hope you understand, and thank you.